Up for sale, I got a 1966 Corvette finished in factory correct, Tuxedo black, has black leather interior, originally red interior, now black leather interior, powered by a period correct 327, strongly built, very nice, powerful, 4-speed manual transmission, factory power disc brakes, and side pipes. I'm going to walk around it, show you some of the flaws, tell you more about the car, fire it up, and then take it around the block. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. Like I said, 66 Corvette, finished in correct Tuxedo black. Black leather interior, red Stinger hood. It is a factory correct 900 paint code Tuxedo black car. It's an older frame-off restoration. Paint is in very nice condition. The chrome has a little bit of pitting on this front bumper right there, only in those areas. This one's very nice. That one has a little bit of pitting. Just a little bit right there and right there. As far as the paint goes, there are not too many flaws on the paint. But like I said, when I come across them, I will point them out to you. It's a period correct motor, I believe. It is a 65 327. The undercarriage is very nice, detailed still, after being frame-off restored some time ago. There's a little crack in the paint. It does have four-wheel power brakes. I think it still has the factory brake master cylinder from 66. That could be wrong. Leather seats. The passenger seat is in nice condition. Driver seat's a little worn. It's okay though. There's no rips on it. It's just, you know how leather is when it starts to get a little wear on it. The convertible top has one little hole, and then unfortunately the window is ripped here. So unless this can be fixed, it might need a new top. You can get them roughly like $200, $300. There's like 1, 2, 3, and 4 chips right there on the paint. Small little chips. This bumper is a little foggy. The paint is in nice condition all the way around though, if I do say so myself. And then this bumper is good. This bumper is not bad. Again, you know, it is powered by a 65 327 motor. It is built up a little bit. I'll show you that when I get to it. Rather stout. 4-speed. Factory power disc brakes. Black leather interior. Original black exterior, Tuxedo black, brand new rebuilt headlight motors. They were just installed a couple weeks ago. So headlights work. No cracks in the dash pad. I remember looking, but just to confirm, there are none. And 2020 New York State Safety Inspection certificate. So it has been registered and certified in the state of New York. And if I've learned enough from dealing with people in New York. They have some rigorous inspections. So I'll pop the hood now, tell you a little bit about that. It'll be for sale later today or one day after today, or the day I post the video, I should say. So here we go. Got the factory power brakes, ceramic headers, aluminum radiator, electric fan. See, the control arms are still clean, very good, nicely detailed. So we'll fire it up now and take it around the block. Thank you.